You can't change a man. A man can change himself if he loves you. You have got a hope that your partner can change one day. Your wife can change or your man can change. But nothing will change in your marriage. You are saying the same thing, baby. I don't like 1, 2, 3. But that person doesn't listen. Keep repeating the same thing every day. It looks like at that time you are saying those things. It's like maybe it's a song on his ears, a nice song. That's why he is keeping repeating the same thing every day. You are crying, you are in tears. He looks like he is very excited to saw you crying. That person is not in love with you sometimes. Even his mother sometimes failed your husband. His mother who gave birth to him failed him. Who are you? Who are you? You are trying to change him. So sometimes, guys, there is no need to change a person, an older person, an adult. Sometimes we have to leave it sometimes because you have got a hope that one day your husband can change, your wife can change, but nothing changes in your relationship. Nothing changes to that person. That person is not in love with you. Or you know that a person who loves you can try to change his character or her character. But when you saw nothing happen, you are saying the same thing. Why he is keep repeating the same thing? He knows that you don't like this, but that person, maybe you sit down and talk. After you've got a discussion that with that person is going to repeat the same thing you are saying. That person doesn't love you or respect you. Even his mother failed him most of the time. The mother who gave birth to him failed him. Who are you as a wife? Because you are married to that person is an adult. At that time you are in relationship with that person was an adult, not a child. His mother failed him. You who gave birth to him. So sometimes, guys, don't have got a hope most of the time. You are in a relationship with the person who hates you most of the time. You know that the person who is going to change is you, because maybe sometimes you can say your partner will change, but the person who is going to change it's you, not your man sometimes. So sometimes, guys, when you saw that relationship, maybe there is no change. You have got 5 years, 6 years, you that person is in a same character every time. So guys, it's better to leave, because the person who is going to change it's you, not your partner, because you have got a hope that your partner is going to change, but you are going to change your character than your partner, or you like